With a vision to provide the best policing service to the society, the government of Assam and the KAEC had been working committedly to improvise the policing system within the state. Hence, many officials and police personnel were also been awarded with the Meritorious Medal for their dedication and exemplary service towards their profession. But the video of personnel trying to extort money from the commuters had left the citizens in shock. As per the report, Superintendent of Police Karbi Anglong had ordered a termination of 2 home guards and suspension of 2 policemen UBC from their service with immediate effect under Khatkati Police Station, Bokajan Subdivision. It was reported that termination of 2 home guards and suspension of 2 policemen came to light when they tried to extort truck drivers at National Highway 39, Khatkati Police checking point for easy money. One of the driver went live on Facebook, where his live video went viral, and questions about the principle and integrity of the police department were raised by the concerned citizens. In the video, it can be seen the ruthless and arrogant attitude by the police and home guards at the checkpoint towards the drivers. After the video went viral, several media houses featured this article in their portal. This had led the SP of Karbi Anglong to take immediate action against those who were present at the site of the incident. The driver who went live on Facebook informed that they were threatened to pay unreasonable taxes on Daniel. They were then showered with obscenity and bad words in SMS language. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.